Hello, traders. Good to have you here once more again. Trust you are all doing great with trading. Okay, so I also dropped a short on my YouTube page, like saying or trying to let you guys know what I was going to be doing with the dollar index, like what my projection my was going to be. So I promised to drop that was yesterday, but I couldn't because I was very busy. So I thought of now dropping it like today. However, unfortunately, what I was going to drop, or what I was going to share, so to say, has already played out, but not fully. If you can see my screen, you can see my TP is still very much long, so still very much far. But if we if you look at the TP, we can see this place now. We can say, okay, let's get right into the video. All right. So before we go further with the video, I want to ask that you give this video a thumbs up if you finally like what I share, and also you should consider subscribing because I share very resourceful things. Not I don't share things that would waste your time. All right. And you can also turn on your post notifications so that each time I post videos, you can get to see um, what I'm sharing. All right. So I'd appreciate that. All right. Thank you. So let's get to the video. For now, I'm still recording with my phone. For now, I'm still going to. I'll definitely move the larger screen with time. So, all right. So, what was I looking at? I was looking at this. All right. Let's come to this area. Let's come to this area. I just hope I'll be able to use this very well. So I saw that market. You can see, we can see market came down here, went up. Although if you watch my last two videos, you'll be able to see my buyers concerning dollar index. My last two videos, you'll be able to see they have been bullish on the dollar index. I've been expecting the dollar index to for the dollar index to be bullish. All right, so I was just expecting some of the signs to play out so that I can go into the market. Also, why technically I've been bullish. Also, fundamentally, what do I mean? I look at the commitment of traders to. So what did I see? The short positions has been declining or decreasing. All right. So and the large firms, okay, have been looking towards, increase their position. So all right. So if you want to know more about commit, I don't think anytime soon I'd like to post on commitment of traders, but you can also find some resourceful and some valuable information on YouTube. You can just watch them. There's a lot of people that are posted on it. But if you really want to learn from the main guy that spoke about it, you might not really learn fully from, but you are going to learn a few things from him at least, and then you watch other people. That's Larry Williams. You can check on YouTube. Larry Williams, that's his name. Okay, away from that. So what did I see? I saw that market created a low here, market went up, came down and took the low here with this candle here. You can see that week took out that low. All right, and the market went up and gave us 50%, like I said. But however, in this market, a lot of people will say, oh, it's a rangy market, it's consolidating, is not actually going to go, like the market is not really decisive where it is going. That's very much correct. But then when I go to lower time frame now, you're able to see very well, even though it is ranging. All right. So what I saw a market went bullish here. all right, and then also give us a 50% retracement. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame so that we can better appreciate what I'm trying to share. Let me, okay, so like I said, so it took out this low here. All right, market took out this low here with this, all right, and went up. So where is our this thing going to be? Let's mark our 50%. Let me show you our 50% retracement. Okay, let us draw that. Okay, okay, so let's see. All right, our 50% retracement. Okay, so so if you just follow what I'm doing, so if we measure this price movement, this range from this place to this place, all right, we can see that we can take this place as our structural liquidity. We can take this place. Is it that it, right? You can actually take this place as our structural liquidity. Okay, because ICT shared that anything below the 50%, all right, is called the discount. So you'll be looking to buy in discount. So I was expecting price to come and take out this, candle wick. Especially this one. I was expecting price. So that's why I did. If you look at the picture I shared, you can see my arrow. I put my arrow that's pointing down, that it should what take out this low. Now, and when it takes out this low, all right, when it takes out this low, I mark this place. This place is called my point of interest. This place I'm interested in. I want the market to, enter into this zone properly. All right. That's where I was looking to sell, and that was the exact thing that the market did. The market got into this zone, and boom, what did you see? Market started going up, all right, and got to this place. I would have used this place as my first TP, and then this is the extreme. All right, this is the extreme TP. That's the extreme TP. Okay, that's the extreme TP, where we have orders stacked. This sell order stacks. All right, so um and you can see markets, there were some imbalances that needed to be filled here. Price needs to fill all this imbalance here. All right, so market will be expecting market to get to this place. Okay, but it takes a lot of psychology for you. For example, if you enter from here, from this place, for you to allow it to get here. But right, this would have been our first TP. But however, the painful thing that happened was that I didn't take this trade. I was just busy, or I just finished with what I was doing to come and shoot this video. All right, so that's why I didn't take this trade. Okay, so like I said, I'll recap, and I'll also show you a similar trade I took on synthetic. All right, that is actually in profit now. But let me recap what I said. We saw the market went up, came down, went up, and took out the low, right? With this leg here, took out the low, went up again. All right. It gave us, so the market has been ranging below the 50%. So I marked this place with this box, saying, all right, that's my structural liquidity. All right, structural liquidity, and this would have been okay. This would have been If you don't take this as a structural liquidity, you could also use this also. This, let me show you this leg, this candle, this, yep, you would have used that also as a structure. Okay, all right, so I marked that out. So that's why I put my arrow that I was looking at this place. I want market to get into this place, okay, before I was going to buy. And then, so what do? You go to smaller time frame. It could be, yeah, 15. Some, most times, sure, I wait for, all right, I wait for. So what's my entry signature? I mentioned in my last video, I look for a swing candle signature, which is like a 3 candlestick formation, which is like, let's look at it here if you can see it very well. Let me get my cursor again to show you. I hope this video is not getting too long. All right, so let me delete one of this. All right, so what did I see? I was going to show you that pattern. So it's 3 candlestick formation. You see this first cell, second cell, and the break of it, the third one, when it breaks above, you look towards buy. You see, once it broke above this last cell, this cell, all right, you can see what happened. Market started going. So you can see that this gave like zero drawdown from equal. You can see that price did not come to mitigate. It just came a little bit down, but it didn't mitigate this third leg bullish candle, right? It didn't mitigate it, and price started, going up. All right, so I said I was going to show you a similar trade. Let me show you a similar trade. This is currently in profit now. This is currently in profit. Okay, so the market is not live yet, but let me just explain to you again. What did I see here? Let me show you what I saw. I saw that this low was taken. I just hope you can see very well, because I've stuck a lot of trade there. So this box is saying that there's a low here that was taken with this sell candlestick that came up, and market went up. Went up, retraced. All right, 50%. All right, so I actually missed that trade. I missed this first scenario, all right, that played. I missed that trade. So, but yesterday, and I saw the market repeating the same thing. So I saw that, all right, I think it's on lower time frame. I actually saw that it was on a lower time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes. If I'm going to, I saw, okay, okay, so, all right, so I saw that, okay, market took out this low again. Market took out this low again. Okay, was it on 5 minutes? Let me be sure. Sorry that I saw that thing. Okay, so I think it was on a 5 minutes. So this was what I saw. I saw that market took out this low, broke structure, on smaller time frame, retraced back, so what did I do? I'd already marked out this box, saying that was my point of interest. That was where I was interested in entering. This was where I was interested in entering the market. And then, so I just waited for the market. So the market, entered that zone. All right, I hope I'm not losing thought of the way the trade played out. All right, or the way I envisaged it. I hope I'm on the right time frame. So okay, so the market entered into the box and then um started it started buying. All right, started buying. Okay, so my TP, so you can see my TP. That's where my TP is. Okay, so this is a much further TP. We can take it to this place, but all right, so that's where that's just what I'm just trying to show you, that that's a simple, a similar, right, a similar trade. I'm still hoping that this trade will go up, but I think it's breaking structure to the downside. I might take out my profit, but it almost hit my profit, my take profit here, but it didn't. So but I'm still expecting it to go back there. All right, so but what did I share? I'm just showing you a similar, all right, a similar setup that happened on dollar index. So when this played out on dollar index, what do you do? For example, if you are trading GBP okay, you go and be looking for sell opportunity. And let's just lastly look at GU so you can see for yourself what happened on GU. Well, if you look at calendar for today, there's no news coming up. We just There's nothing that that caused that necessitated that sell, that this big sell that we see on on GU. All right, so you can see that sell. You can see that sell. You can see that sell that happened. So I'm actually trying to look for the setup. If I can see the setup, if I can see the setup, and that's going to end the video. If I can see the setup, okay, let me see if I can see the setup here for you guys. Let me see if I can see the setup. If I can see any setup here, I'm going to definitely share. But let's see. Let's see this. Let me see if this can serve as a structural liquidity. Okay, if this can serve as a structural liquidity. Okay, let's see. But a low was taken here, and then do we have any break of structure? All right, so this structure was broken here. I'm just trying to see if we can find this setup here. I can't actually see it very clearly. I'm just trying to see whether we can see why the market went down. If you could have, just to show you how you would have taken the opportunity. I'm probably not seeing it very well here now, but definitely if I see it, I'll definitely join into my next video coming up. But however, I hope you got the concept of what I'm trying to share with you guys. What did I say? Basically, we look for the old setup is just you look for what a low taken out, a break of structure, a 50% retracement, a further break of structure to the downside based on the scenario of the market. That's if you sell. Okay, a retracement back to the structural liquidity, and then you mark out your point of interest, so where you are going to enter the market, and you wait for your buy signature. Depending on your own buy, what you use. If some people use double top, double bottom, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. All right, so that's going to end this video. I hope you guys found this video valuable. All right, if you did, kindly do me this 3 favor. You you like the video, so that that's Facebook algorithm can help put the video out more. You also subscribe, and you can also turn on your post notifications, so that each time I post my video, you can get to connect and watch. Thank you. This is going to end the video now. Cheers, guys.